Okay guys, it seems like oh, there's a plate. The Boerewors that I've done in the pan is ready, so I'm going to just cut a piece here just to show you what it looks like. I'm on no special diet, so I'm not scared to taste. That will go down quickly. So basically, like I said, this is the thinner casing. This is what it looks like in the pan. This is delicious. So the one in the oven is taking a lot longer. I should have maybe preheated the oven. But as soon as that one's finished, I'll show you what that one looks like as well. But like I said, this is the Boerewors. Remember, the new casing is a bit thicker, but this is the Boerewors currently, done in the pan. Tomorrow, if the weather is nice, we'll do something on the braai and show you what that looks like as well. Thanks.